Hi everyone, Joel from JFP Automotive here. Check out this next build, a 2000 BMW E46. The customer dropped it off to us with no engine, no front end on it. We did the full 1JZ swap in it, ETCSi, VVTi. We ran it with the factory computer, tried to keep costs down, just get it in and running. We did a CD09 Nissan transmission to it. We did a coilovers, angle kit, Handbrake, and set this car up for the perfect street, track, weekend car, just to have a lot of fun, really clean, and work really good. We did this build a little bit before we were starting our video, so it's just kind of the wrapping up of this build. So check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we got a little teaser for you right at the end. So wait till then. blank. I'll figure it out.